So this month, there was a meteor rain going on. I tried to capture some of it, but not exactly everything went my way. So last Sunday, I woke up and there was a notification on my phone. It said something along the lines of there being a meteor rain from the 11th to the 12th of August. And as soon as I read that, I realized that I've got a 1 in a million opportunity. You see, the day before that, I had traveled to a small town in Norway. Everything was just simply lining up to be perfect, and I had gone out the night before to find a good location to shoot from. Once the day finally arrived, I woke up, only to find that the sky was absolutely covered by a sea of clouds.